Very good morning, ma. Happy Sunday. I hope the Sunday will utilize very well. Sharing my screen. So very good morning. My voice is clear, ma. Voice clear. Please confirm the chat. Voice clear, right? Yeah. Voice is clear and screen also visible. Visible. So today topic name is React agents. It's not React JS. Okay. It is not React JS. It is React agent under GenAI. Under GenAI. That's the topic name. So this kind of workshops are very, very important because you know, right, how that AI is growing every day. AI is growing day by day. So it's time to learn about AI, learn about AI. So now world in AI transformation, AI transformation. We are glad in this transformation, we are seeing the transformation. Like there is a industry 4.0. How many knows about this? How many knows about this? Industry 4.0. Nagaraju, all workshops will be available in the NareshIT website itself. Am I sharing in my community group? Are you there in the community group? Nagaraju? You should be in the community group, then only I can share with you. And all the recordings will be available under Naresh IT channel, YouTube. Also, every week, one workshop completed, I'm sharing in my community group. I will give the community QR code. I will share community QR code. I will share the community QR code. Before that, first let's discuss about what is Industry 4.0. Tell me, what is Industry 4.0? Who will tell? Fire, machine, internet, digital transformation, smart industry, whatever. Super. Revolution. Technology revolutions. Tech revolutions. Tech revolutions. What are the tech revolutions happening? What are the tech revolutions are happening from past to now? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell? What are the first technology people are saying that? The first thing people are saying that steam engines, steam engines. steam engines. And second one is electricity. Electricity. And third one is computers. Computers. And fourth one is AI or IoT or all new technologies. Cyber security. These are the industry 4.0. We are glad we are seeing on technology revolution. We are lucky. In fact, we are lucky because we are seeing this. Because we are seeing this. So every industry that is first, before that people are doing manual work. Now engines came. Now people, we don't have light, then electricity came. Then computers came. And computers giving so many software industry. Software industry. So we learned here. We learned. At the time of transformation, we did not buy, we did not born, but we learned here. In the same way, now AI transformation happening, and we are in this world now. We are in this world. So it is our job to learn it. So it is our job. This is our job. This is our main task now. Definitely, everyone should learn AI. Everyone should learn AI. So that's why these workshops are conducting whenever I'm getting the free time. So if anyone asks you how the world is changing, then 4.0 to prompt engineer. Yes, very good. You're understanding, right? Why we are in the transformation. We are not in the computer transformation. We are in the AI transformation. So are you understanding the importance of AI, right? So don't neglect it. Learn as much as AI. Learn as much as AI related things. So that definitely we will get job. We will get settled in this. You see, right? Every industry 4.0 created one new jobs. Steam engines created new jobs. Electricity means the machines, so, and computers, and AI also will create, no? Definitely. AI also will create, definitely. So don't worry about that. Learn as much as we can. So in this process, as my job, as I'm a data scientist and AI engineer, my job to clear your doubts and show some road paths, how to migrate to AI. What is agent? What is agentic AI? Okay, 4 questions. What is LLM? What is RAG? What is agent? What is agentic AI? Now tell me, sir, I don't know this. Any terminology? Anyone is there in the class? The session? Tell me. Say yes, sir, I don't know this. No, I don't want answers. I want a people, sir, I don't know this. In this, which one you don't know? Mukesh Kumar don't know this. All. Praveen also don't know. Kuldeep don't know. Shashank don't know. Sumant, you don't know agentic AI. Venkatramana don't know about LLM. Suresh don't know. Fourth one, agentic AI. Very good. Got it. Correct buzzing words. Yes, correct buzzing words. So before going to that, then first of all, what do you know about generative AI? I will take just 10 minutes to clear your doubts. Then we'll start the hands-on. What do you know about generative AI? Tell me, what do you know about generative AI? Let's discuss, guys. Let's discuss. See, Omkar sir workshops always say interactive sessions. You need to talk with me. I also will talk with you so that you can clear your doubts first. Text based generative. Yeah. Text based generative is one answer. Generate the new data is one answer. Generate new data is one answer. Generative model trained on large data set. Shoaib Patel is saying exact answer. And Raghu also saying the answer. Rajat Rao also saying correct answer. Everyone is saying correct answer. Yes. It is generative is there. Generative means I will generate something. Now tell me, always think about like that. AI is equal to human brain. AI is equal to human brain. Always think like this perspective. Always think like this perspective. Okay, everyone, those who doesn't know about anything, always think like this perspective. AI is equal to human brain. Now, what human brain? What human can do? What human can do? The human can do. If I ask any question, the human can able to answer. Able to answer if we know the related subject. If we know the related subject. Related subject, correct? Yes. Now, the human, if I ask write an essay, the human able to write. Yes, because that is imagination. He has a imagination power is there. There is a imagination power is there. Third one, if I ask generate a or not generate, draw a image, draw a picture, he can able to do yes, he can able to do because again he has imagination power is there. Also he also seen the already that image. He also seen that image. Exactly think like human brain there. Now fourth one, if I ask generate a song or write a song, yes, he can able to or he or can be able to do because again he has imagination power plus he also know the language. He also know the language. Hindi, English, Telugu, or all the languages that kind of people will do. So the human being can able to everything the same way. How about a machine also do the same thing? Then that question came and that answer is called generative AI. That answer is called what? Generative AI brains. We calling human brains and we are calling here generative AI models. Generative AI brains and similarly generative AI models. So far clear? So far clear, Amma? Clear, right? Now question number two. How they are generating? How we are generating? How we are generating? Because we already seen that data. How I can know it is a dog. Because somebody told me that somebody, maybe who is somebody, papa or mama told me that beta this is a dog ra, so dog will look like this, correct? And that means we are may pushing the our brain is taking some data, some data. Similarly, the generative models also needs what? Generative AI models also needs what, ma? Models also needs what? Data. Yes, data. Only data. Clear, huh? Clear. Now, third question. Third, this is interesting, right? How the imagination power is coming now? How that imagination power is coming? Like human brain. Like human brain. In the human brain, neurons are available. What will available? Neurons available. So the neurons will pass the information. One neuron to another neuron. Similarly, AI models also same analogy. That is called only neural network. So now if you go to type here human brain analogy with neural network, just type it, then you will see some diagrams. You see, right? This is the one diagram. This is your nucleus. We never see our nucleus. Only doctors knows that is. This is neuron. The neuron will think and pass the information to another neuron. Similarly, these are the information. The information passed to the neuron. Again, you will think something, and then it will go to other neuron. It is the exact analogy like this happened. This is called neural network. Understood? Huh? Getting some idea how it is happening, ma? Please confirm the chat. This is called neural network. So imagination power is coming. Because of neural network, that is called deep learning subject. Deep learning able to do because of past data. And I want to make speed. I want to make it very speed. That's why machines will do. Calculator will do 255 into 255. Tell me how much? Our brain can't do. We need time. But calculator need time, huh? No, right? That is only industry 4.0 machines. Now, machine will understand every human being. You are understanding English language. So machine also should understand some language, na? Now machine understanding some language. That languages we are learning, and that language, one of the famous languages called Python language. Simple. Now I want to talk with you make your understanding clearly. So that is called communication. Now same way, I want to talk with AI model, with AI brain. Now they are giving a new name. What is the new name called? Prompt engineering. Exactly. Human brain, nothing but AI brain only. So the terminology different. Here English language, here which language? Python. Here I am saying communication, you are saying what? Prompt engineering. Here I need a speed, that's why I am taking a mission. Getting analogy now, everyone? So far clear? So far clear? Any doubts here till now? Any doubts in this? Happy to discuss. Nivedita and Vishal, what are your doubts, ma? Thanks, Ravi. Then say clear. Everyone is saying clear, you are saying no. Funny. That is called communication. Ra. That is called communication. All the people are saying clear, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Two people are saying no, sir. And when I ask them separately, no, sir, no means no doubt, sir. No means no doubts, sir. That is called what? Communication. How to talk with brain. That's called only communication, prompt engineering. That's a prompt engineering we need to learn. See, so many languages are there. JavaScript is there. I don't want to go in that. See, English only one language. Huh? Hindi also there, na? Understand like that. Exactly. Okay, Nashina? Understand exactly like that. Raghu. Everything is there. Now coming to the next question. LLM model. What is the full form LLM means? Large language models. Large language models. Now language means immediately what we are saying? Text. What we are saying? Text. Large language models. Now we are saying only text. In this text, the human can generate text, images, video, means images or songs, essays, so many things. Now, in this, so they made different models. They made, who is there? They means who? Google, Microsoft, Meta, and XAI. They made different models, means different brains for different tasks. For different tasks. Different tasks. So I'm saying that, hey, suppose you are saying that, hey, Rohit Sharma, you are very good at what? Opening batsman. Your task is what? You need to opening batsman. Hey, Bumrah, what is your task? You need to bowl only. Hey, Virat, you are the center point. You need to be till last, and everyone should play around you. And hey, Dhoni, what is your job? You should be finish the match. So this is the task I am giving, na different people. Same way, I am giving the some task to different brains, different brains. In that, some brains will generate only text. Some brains will generate only text, and that models are called what? Models are called as what, Manav? Bolo? Model is what? LLM. Understood now? Say it. LLM. So they are working only for language, mean text only. Suppose the one of the famous models are GPT model. GPT model is for text generation models. Dallai is a model for video generation. Sora, sorry, Dallai is a image generation. Sora is nothing but a video generation. These are the different, these are the generated by OpenAI company. So OpenAI has 3 brains. There multiple are there. So I'm mentioning important only, that I don't want to confuse you. There are multiple names are there. Multiple names are there. Suppose different companies. Suppose you open here. VO3. VO3. So this is a Google DeepMind. They are generating the video. You see this video, exactly Hollywood kind of video it is. Hollywood kind of video it is. They're generated. So this is some other models. They're the model names. There are so many models are there. I don't want to mention them because that is not our interest. Our interest to clear your doubts first. So you're clear, Amma? So far clear? Top order batsmen. Top order batsmen, what they will do? Top order only, na? Like that. Now you can ask the question, sir, ChatGPT generating image also, na, sir? Generate the image also, na, sir? There you are saying LLM model. ChatGPT is the LLM model. So technically it should generate text only. Why image? We'll ask ChatGPT only. What it will say, answer, let's see. Why we will do that? Because ChatGPT when developed, there is only text based only. It is not image based. Hey ChatGPT, I heard you are an LLM model. Then how you are generating images. So you are generative AI model, no? You are generative AI model also, no? Model and doing everything. But your name is confusing me. But your name GPT is confusing me. Confuse me. Then let's see. It can be a bit confusing first. Let me clear up. GPT stands generative. It's a type of what, ma? It's mainly designed to generate the text. So I am generating means I'm actually calling another model. Which model? The lie. Like that. Understood now? So if anyone asks you, you need to say like this answer. So you are one platform. So it's time to change your name. Change your name. Ha ha ha. Make a times 2. Giga, genius, so many. It's also like it. So you need to chat like your friend only. Always chat GPT. So clear that. Next question. RAG models. Let me ask the first question to ChatGPT. Question number 1. Everyone open ChatGPT and type it. Who is Nalagoni Omkar, sir? Just type this. What do you say? It will give answer or not? It will give answer or not? What do you will say? It will give. Everyone should talk. It will give. Now type another question. What are the names of children names of Omkar, sir? Now what do you say? It will give answer or not? You are saying no. You are saying no. Let's try it. Let's try it. Who is Nalagoni Omkar, sir? Now it's searching the web. It's searching the web. It's giving that. It's giving that. Correct? Now, what are the names of children names of Omkar sir? Why you raise my hand, Anjum and Amol? What is saying that no publicly information? No publicly information. So now let's add one more thing. So if I connect with Omkar sir database, you might able to get answer and provide, right? Just a live type. Provide, right? Now what is your answer? Yes or no? If I connect with Omkar sir database, you might able to get providers or not? Yes. Yes. That is a common sense. Legally, securely connect with me to Omkar sir database, I can. This is called only RAG model. This is called only RAG model. That means GPT brain plus my own organization data. Then I can create an exact chat GPT kind of application, and whatever question I am asking, it will provide the answer. That is called retrieval augmented generation. Retrieval augmented generation. Imagine that there's a CA guy is there. He is so many audits are there. He added chat GPT or GPT brain plus all the audit database. In the database 1 lakh customers are there. So he can directly ask the question. Now tell me Omkar sir audit details. Automatically it will give the answer. Such a beautiful concept. People in IT industry are dying for this application now. That is. And that Sadashiva, I am just giving the example, okay? Later about the data ethical thing. There no ethical, there no, you can so copyright here. There no copyright topic here. Copyright is already gone. Okay, it's already gone. It's unofficial news. It's already gone, Chinna. Why copyright gone? You ask any textbook question, you ask any summary of textbook, it will give. Then where is copyright here? It's gone. It's gone. Everyone knows it's gone. Okay. That's why don't give your mobile numbers. So everyone understood now? Understood ma? Now what is the RAG model means? Now there's so many implements. Like suppose you want, sir, I want to update every month. That is the next thing. That is the next thing called pipelines. Pipeline. That is called LLM ops. That is a different thing. So, but that is possible, like DevOps kind of thing. That is possible, Chinna. Now you understood about the RAG application. So you can ask that also. So, isn't it? Oh, is it a kind of RAG application? Now exactly, you are spot on. It is a RAG application. Clear? Very good. Now third question. Question number 3. Now, can you send a meeting invite? Can you send a meeting invite to Omkar sir? What do you think? ChatGPT will do. What do you think? No. Why? Why it cannot do? Why it cannot do? Hey, what is your answer? Why it cannot do? It's answer is correct. Why? It's not trained. Let's see. Can you send a meeting invite? I can't directly send the meeting invites, but I can absolutely draft a professional meeting invite. So now you can ask the same question. Why you cannot send? Why you cannot send? Because it's not connected to any Gmail application. Security privacy, no direct internet access. Gmail, no control. I can only generate it. I can't do that. Now means what happen if I do LLM plus Gmail access, plus internet access, then how about it will generate? That is super, no? It is work as my assistant. It's work as my assistant. That is a good, right? That is called only agent. That is called only what? Agent. Now you can work with my agent because your brain, my brain is same. Because your brain, my brain is same. Your brain equal to my brain. Whose brain? LLM brain equal to my brain. But your brain is very fast. My brain is slow. So I have brain, my brain, plus I have internet, I have Gmail access, then I can send. Similarly, LLM brain plus internet plus Gmail access, you can also send. And then you are my assistant. That means you are my agent. Simple. Understood now agent meaning? Understood amma? Agent matlab. Getting idea now? Agent means? Now question number 4. Great. How about you are behave like a Omkar sir PA, which means you know Omkar sir schedule, and you know what are the meetings, and you can reschedule Omkar sir meetings last moment. Is all like you can behave autonomously based on situation. How about this? And this autonomously. Based on situation, and this is called only agentic AI. That's called agentic AI. Means agentic AI almost same, but whenever it is autonomous behavior. What is autonomous behavior? Based on the situations, it can change the last moment meetings also. and that is called Agentic AI. Clear now? All the things? Forget about spelling mistakes, ma. That is not our interest. It's not a GRE class. Okay. You are worrying about spelling mistakes. Funny. Clear, ma, everyone? Say yes. I want everyone should say answer. Now you will able to say right. If anyone asks you, now onwards, the next workshops also I will ask. Very good. Now we are learning. I already taught you that. Now there's a crew AI. Crew AI means I created multiple agents. Multiple agents. Now imagine that I want to book a hotel in Paris. Hotel in Paris. So I am asking my assistant. Now who is my assistant? Agent. What is that? My assistant agent. Now this time not a human being. This time a robot, a machine. There's a Paris hotel guys also assistants means they're also what? Agents. Now two agents are talking each other. How about this? Funny thing? Two agents are talking each other. That is also possible, ma. That is already possible. It's already done. You can type in the Google. Two agents are talking each other. Two agents are talk each other. Is this the 25th February news? And the very, very terrifying thing is they're talking their own language. Secret language. And we don't know what is the language of them. No one knows what is the AI language. We know only our language. We are talking in English. That is only we know. We are writing a Python code. That is only we know. But we don't know what is the AI agent. That language. People are worrying about that now. All the things are happening now. Now MCP, the latest thing. How to connect these resources is called only MCP. We need external resources, na? How to connect them in the proper way? That is called MCP. How to connect them in a proper way. We'll conduct one more workshop on that. That is called MCP. AI is not a fixed right. It will keep on change. Some waves. Okay, Nama, Anuja. We can ask which language you are talking. But before that, let me connect with that. Okay. Give me a minute. Yeah. Now let's our focus now. Chalo. Okay, MCP full form. Model Context Protocol. That's called MCP. It's saying that AI models to connect with external resources in a beautiful way. Connected with external resources. External means how good we are making agents. Now today we are learning in that ReAct agent. ReAct agent. ReAct agents is instead of giving direct answer, it starts action. That means understand it, understand the question, and then think. It will start thinking, and then it will observe. It will make some observations, and finally it will give the answer. Finally it will give the answer. Let's see that what is the thing is called. Let's take one example. So there is one question I give. What is the capital country where the Eiffel Tower is located? Now, as a human being brain, what's happening inside your brain? Tell me. What you are observing from this question? How you will give the answer? First of all, tell me the answer first. Paris. The answer is what? Paris. How you said? What is your observation? Your observation is Eiffel Tower. That is your observation. Because you know Eiffel Tower is in Paris. That's why you are given direct answer. Any observations? Their capital is there, country is there. What is the capital of the country? Tower and country, correct? Tower and country. Same exactly only. Same exactly how your brain is thinking. Your brain is what is thinking now? Your brain is thinking like this. Exact. Thought. What is the thought? The Eiffel Tower is in France. Action. Capital of France. Observation. The result is Paris. Answer. The capital of the country where the Eiffel Tower is located in Paris. And that is called ReAct. That is called what? ReAct. Getting idea now? The Eiffel Tower in France and lookup is capital of France. The result is Paris. The capital of the country where the Eiffel Tower is located in Paris. In order to tell this answer, you need general knowledge, correct? You need GK. GK means again human brain connected with the external source. And human brain nothing but here which brain? LLM brain. LLM brain connected with the external source. And that is called what? Agent. And that is called what? Agent. That is called what? Agent. So LLM we are adding what? External source. And that is called what? Agent. This external source can be anything. That can be Wikipedia. Suppose imagine that. LLM has my brain. LLM is exactly my brain. I have access to finance data or stock market data. Then I can become work as what now? Agent. Agent. Now here is my brain. My brain nothing but your LLM model. I am able to say this. Now I have a work with my hotel data, some external source data. I can work with what? Agent. Are you getting? Here also it will give the answer. Then you are thinking only you are limiting. Sir, you can ask that question. Sir, LLM also giving the answer. No, sir. LLM also gives the answer here. Because LLM also internally connected what? Wikipedia. Internally connected Wikipedia. But if you ask the same question, what is the TCS share price? TCS share price by today. TCS share price by today. So this is March 24 is because it is saying that external data source. External data source. But if you ask that the external sources are available here. But if you ask that at what time period you have a data. You have a data. You ask this question. At what time period you have a data? He's saying that my knowledge up to what? June 2024. The knowledge is up to what? June 2024. But it's connected some memory. What is the memory? Live web browsing. So it is using some live web tool. Some APIs. Some APIs are there. You're getting how it is generating the real data. You can ask that. Then how you are generating real-time data. I don't generate the real-time data. I retrieve using the web access. That means here GPT model accessing what? External resources. Similarly, the external resources can be anything. Getting idea now? Everyone? If suppose that external resource is gone from GPT, then GPT will not able to say answer. Not able to say answer. Now, if you see here AI Studio, if you see the AI Studio, still what not connected external resources. You ask the question, who is president of USA now? You can ask the question now. Currently saying that Joe Biden. Joe Biden is there now currently? No, right? It is also model only. It is also LLM model only, but it's not connected the external. You're getting? So some companies are connecting the external. So now in our company, we can have any model based on client. I can have GPT model. I can have Gemini model. I can have client. I can have a Gemini model. Now, here I'm using the GPT already access some external sources. Now, Gemini doesn't have the external sources. Now, I am in my laptop. I am connecting my Gemini model and external resources, then it is kind of a magic now, correct? External resources, then it starts like and what? It starts like agent now. Start like a agent. But my agent, especially a ReAct agent, has some specific things are there. What are the specific things? Now it can do the action. It can do the thought. And step-by-step process, breaking the problem like exactly human brain. Thought, and it can observe, and it can generate the answer. It can generate the answer. Generate the answer. Generate the answer. Now you can say that. Now let's talk to ChatGPT now. A ChatGPT, you are working like a agent only. Like let's ask that. Let's see. Hey, you are working like a agent also. Agent also. Because you are connecting with external sources. External sources. Yes, you are absolutely right. When I access websites, I am function like an intelligent agent. What I am really? I am a large language, but agent like capabilities. What are the capabilities? Web browser, code interpreter, APIs. GPT plus tools, agent behavior. You know right now? Now you are asking, give me TCS share price. Without tools, I can respond only my training data up to January 2024. With the tools, I can act like agent. What are that? Understand your intent, decide which tool to use, execute real-time access, extracting, interpreting, respond to you naturally. This is agentic behavior. Getting my everyone? What is the actual GPT and what is the tools and what is the agent behavior? Getting everyone? GPT is not taking React agent. Okay, that the name is we are saying agent. The name is we are saying agent. That so many agent types are there. There's so many saying that agents are there. Now, imagine like this. Imagine like this. You return 100 Python functions. 100 Python function. Now, Python function number 1, addition. Function number 2, multiplication. Function number 3, subtraction. Function number 4, and division. Like that, suppose 4 functions are there. If I want to do addition, I need to call manually related function, correct? Yes or no? Say yes or no? Everyone work with functions, no? Say yes or no? Now, how about I'm access the LLM model. Hey, LLM, what is the multiplication of 3 and 4? If I ask this question, how about my LLM model access my functionalities, my functions? That is, I did not mention. It is only understand. It understand the question. And it search the related function call. And generating the answer. How about this? Is reducing manual work a lot or not? Are getting ma? And this is called also ReAct agent. This is called what ma? ReAct agent. This is also called ReAct agent. It is also. So it is also working like an agent. Is reacting. Okay, this guy is asking a question. What is the multiplication of 3 and 4? And when I say multiplication of 3 and 4, so it is searching that. It's because it's a LLM model, right? Brain has it has brain. Like human brain. A human brain, no, na. Which function I need to call? And similarly, now my LLM my LLM calling automatically that multiplication function. Such a beauty. You getting? And it is also work like as a ReAct agent, and not only her functions, I am giving some other data sources. And this is exactly a agent behavior, and here we are thinking a ReAct agent. Is that clear now? Concept, everyone? All the terminologies and everything? Getting idea? Some people get small confusions because in the starting use cases, starting now you're, so you need to be travel with me. You need to travel with me. Small confusions will be aware, but when you take the use cases, and if you work on the use cases, then slowly it will clear all your doubts, because today your doubts are clear, right or not? 90% your doubts are clear, because we have taken live example with ChatGPT. We have taken live activity, like that you do live activity. We taken the live activity with ChatGPT. Live activity is the ChatGPT. There so many models are there, ma. No, agent means LLM meaning, ma. Okay, agent means LLM meaning only, na. Sadashiv. LLM means your brain, okay? My brain. Understand like this. Plus external data. That can be anything. That can be internet access. That can be email, Gmail access. That can be anything. Then the combination is nothing but what? Agent. The combination nothing but agent. Because my brain, what will do? My brain has the imagination power, na? I can do analysis. Same way LLM model what do? Do analysis. Getting Sadashiv. Agent can be embedding in LLMs, NIA. I am saying I am given different name. What is the different name? My assistant. Human brain, and some resources. Then the action, my assistant formed. Now similarly, LLM brain, some resources. Now this time not my assistant, this I'm saying agent, that's all. My agent. Like in the movies, agent matlab what? Agent Vikram Rathod present, sir. What is that meaning? He has the capability, na? What is the capability? He has a brain. He has a capability. What is the capability? He's a trained military guy. Military. That's why he is an agent. This is one capability. So things like that. Now, there are so many agents will be available now. What are the so many agents? The agent can be in the military. The agent can be hotel agent. The agent can be travel agent. The agent can be real estate agent. Similarly, we have so many types of agents will be available in LLM. There are so many types of agents will be available in LLM also. So different people, different agents have different capability. But what is the meaning of agent? Agent meaning is same only. Agent meaning here brain plus external data. What is external data? Military data. Here what is that? Brain plus hotel data. Brain plus travel industry data. Brain plus real estate data. Real estate. Who is the brain here? LLM. Who is the brain here? LLM. Getting an idea now. So different people, we are saying different way perform, then you will become a different agents. Now let's see. The same question we will do now. With the same question we will ask the ChatGPT only now also. There are different types of agents available, like React agent, uh, and suppose chat agent. What are? Tell me some example. Tell me some examples how they exactly differ. That's why in the starting class I told what? What I told? Think like your brain equal to AI brain. Yes or no? Do you remember? Before our class started, I said exact like that. If you understand that, everything can easily understand, ma. Choose web search, code, database, React agent, reason plus act. Mixes the reasoning steps, thought action. I need this info. I will search. Now I know. Next input. Step by step. Chat. What is that chat memory? Means I will by heart it. I will give the answer. Okay. Like many students will do. Action agent. Directly executes. Less internal reasoning. You give me this, I will do that. You ask me to kick him, I will kick him. I will not think. Why you are asking to kick him? Getting different human beings available or not, ma? Understand like that. Different human beings, different works, different solutions. Such a beauty concept, you understand, right? Now first creates a plan, then executes a step by step. Like analyst, political analyst. Like in every family we have a plan and execute agents. We all are plan and execute agent. Auto GPT and code, and the code also. So different agents. Getting now clear up? Different human beings, different thought process, different way of behaving, different of outcomes. That's why we are giving the different names. If you are doing the RAG mode or RAG plus agent also, you can create it. But RAG will not generate the images, na? Raghu, RAG only for what? Only for chatting with only your database. Like that. Exactly. Now Karthik has given one beautiful idea. You see, HR agent plus financial agent plus IT agent, onboarding person to company. There's an interview also, interview agent also, interview agent plus and given job to the company. Yes, ma. RAG plus external system. RAG is a external system, Lakshmi. What is the RAG? RAG means LLM plus our own data plus external resources. External resources. Then it become what happened? RAG agent. You are correct only. But RAG again two parts. LLM plus our own data. Because actually we are running out of time. We are running out of time. I want to make you an hands-on. But I'll just give the example. ReAct agent in the stock market price. Now I need two things. I want agent. Agent means what ma LLM plus follow LLM plus external source. Correct? I'm not talking about agentic AI. Agentic AI means then autonomous behavior. You should change the thinking process on the spot. We are already talking about agent here. Now in this, Google Generative AI is the two parts are there. The two parts are there. Google Generative AI is nothing but your LLM plus Y Finance nothing but external source stock market data. Stock market data. Two parts are there. Not now, ma. Not now. Okay, this I want to make this answer. Not now because we are running out of time. No time actually. We'll conduct a next session, session 2. I'm planning a session 2 on this. At the time we will do hands-on. At the time we will do hands-on. Okay, Maula? Now just observe it. At the time we'll do answer. Because no time. Some important work is there. No time actually. Actually, I created a GitHub link also for you. I want to share this also. I asked you to download and I asked you to do practice also in the class itself today only, but no time. That is the problem. But it's okay. Next class we can do answer. Now I need to connect the LLM model. Here I am using a LLM model called what? I am using a LLM model called Gemini model. The Gemini model, and the Gemini model generated by Google DeepMind, Google company. In order to access, we need API key. And Omkar sir conducted that workshop also. LLM by Omkar sir. Type it. We can able to see in this how to connect the Gemini model. How to connect this last year only we conducted. How to connect the Gemini model. So that we can able to see this is the Gemini key. I provided a secret key here. I saved my secret key here. So you can't see my key. Because don't share your keys outside. Now I'm taking a one model called, model name is Gemini 2.0 Flash. I told not different models names will be available. So Gemini model also name. What is the Gemini model? Gemini model name is called what here? Gemini 2.0 Flash. Gemini 2.0 Flash. So I taken here. Now this is called stock price. Infosys stock price. This is Infosys stock price details automatically coming. As of now 25.53, open is 1500, high is 187, low is and close this. Let's see that Infosys stock market price. Infosys share price 1566.10. High is 1587, low is 1540, 1564.66. API keys, exactly. Company need to provide that API keys. API key is nothing but very simple, man. I want to use LLM model to in my laptop. Means there's a connection, na? We need a connection, right, Raghu? We need to connect. In order to connect what? We need to provide some number. Correct. Suppose I want to log in Gmail. What you are providing? Username, password or not? Then we are using the Gmail service. Then we are using the Gmail service. Similarly, I want to use LLM model service. Then I have to provide something or not. And that is called only key. And that we are saying what? API key. And this API key is the chargeable. Some keys are free. Some keys are free. Suppose Gemini is free. Gemini free, but limited amount. But limit. Llama is free. Llama is free. But GPT, OpenAI GPT, ChatGPT is pay. So they will not give free service. Deploy is like some like Python code amount, Anuja. Like how we did in our class. Deployment is same. Again, cloud you need to do. This is all our Python code only, na? We are not going to everything, okay? I'm just giving the idea. Grok, that is Copilot. I'm not going to everything. I'm just giving idea because what is API? If you Google it, then it can know, Nama, which is free, which is not free. We're not much worried about that. Now I'm creating some functions. Get stock price function, get company name summary, compare stocks. How many functions I created, ma? 3 functions. If a user asks stock price, it will give the real-time stock price. If user asks company name, it will provide the company name details. If user asks compare the stocks, it compare the stocks. Now I define a tool. Tool means I added all 3 functions here. How many functions I created, ma? Polo? How many functions I created? 3 functions. So I'm making all the, in order to make these functions, I'm using a external data source. What is the external data source name? Y-Finance. What is the external data source name? Y-Finance. Understood? So Y-Finance, what will give? It will provide the real-time stock market price. Exactly, Praveen. Same like that all. Now I added all 3 together. Now I'm telling to my LLM model. What is LLM model? You see here. You are finance assistant. Think step-by-step process. Answer this user's question. You have access following the tools. Get stock price. This is one my function. Get company summary. Compare stocks. You can do any drama out of these 3. I don't mind. That is I am saying to my LLM model. It is called communication, prompt engineering. Use this format. Provide your thought. Provide your action. Provide your observation. Provide me final answer. And I will ask the question here. You need to do follow this exactly my instructions. Understood this prompt, everyone? Understood? You are a finance assistant. Think step-by-step process. And you can able to access my function calls. But you need to provide me exactly deep dive like this. Here I will not mention, based on my question only you should verify. Okay, based on my question only you should do. I will not give my Python function, which function you need to use. Then you need to show some imagination power. Suppose I am doing ReAct without ReAct. Without ReAct, I am asking a question. Which stock is better? Infosys or TCS? Okay, this is my question. Then when I pass the question, this is my input. My input, this is taken by whom? LLM model. Now instead of query, what I provided that came here. Understood? This is what I provided here. Now this I will send to the LLM model. This is sent to the LLM model. It gives some answer here. Thought. The user wants to know which stock is better. Compare stocks, observation, summary, metrics, P by E ratio, Infosys undervalued, final answer, like this. Single way answer, single way answer. But if I use run agent, now you see how it will give answer. When you do run agent, first thought and question. Next thought, I need to figure it out which stock is better. First to get company summary. See, automatically you see, right? It is taking company summary automatically. I will get summary. I will get stock price and current stock price. Compare stocks. Some malfunctioning is saying that, and I will do compare like this. Some code is some issue is there. I think we need to verify that. That is only Wi-Fi finance, no? That is only external data. This is a good question, Raghu. That's a external question. That's a external data. Now you understand, ma? Understand the Raghu question. How does it know which metrics to compare, like PE? That's a brain, na? My brain. My brain, nothing but whose brain now here? LLM. Plus, I know stock market. Now I am giving what? Wi-Fi finance. That is the beauty, na, ma? That is called only generative AI, na, Raghu? Now Raghu got pareshan. Sir, how it is happening? That is called only generative AI. That's why I told now my brain equal LLM. I am able to do, LLM also able to do. So I just showed an example, ma, but hands-on we will do definitely, because my all workshops are hands-on only. All workshops are hands-on only. Definitely will do. And now I will ask some questions. Is everyone understand the difference between all now today? Everyone understand the lecture? Everyone understand the lecture? I need every answers. Now you got at least 90% clear idea about what is Gen AI, what is LLM, what is RAG, what is agent, what is agentic AI, what is the meaning of external behavior, external resources. All you got the clear idea? You got idea now? My brain nothing but equal to LLM brain. And how it is happening? Because of neural network. Now the theory completed. Now theory, we are exactly theory completed now. Now we are yet to do what? Practical. So in order to practical, we need one more session. We need one more session. Not or one more session. We need multiple sessions like this. External resources, Python code will take care of. That is, we need to practice. In one day, it will not happen, Tejas. In one day, it will not happen. Today, I given Wi-Fi finance, na? Like that, we need to do. In one day, it will not happen. Try this how on you are implemented. Definitely you need to do, Praveen. So try this on our own, like how to implement. You cannot do, ma, because we need so much money. First of all, we need money, we need infra, and we need so many GPUs, and right, so many things we need. Okay, we can able to do, but we need to support also, na. Don't think like that. If we want to develop our own LLM already available, we'll use LLM model because already big companies are developed. Big companies already developed. We will use those only, but we will add external resources. We will develop the client use cases. Client use case. How many want next session? Tell me, how many wants next session? But if you want to next session, you need to do something, right? You're not doing that. Okay. What is that? Something. Tell me. And at least you need to, these are free workshops only, na? At least you need to do like and comment. Like and comment you need to do, at least. That only I need. Otherwise, how can I know people are interested? Last time I conducted OpenSea sessions. OpenSea sessions I conducted. Everyone said I like the session. I like the session. But go and see that. How many are giving like and comment? See, it's kind of a little. We are spending some time now. And I'm clearing each and every doubt. I'm responding each and every chat. It's not like a general workshops. It's like a completely interactive workshops. There's a lot of different interactive workshops.